Hello my dear friends, I welcome you all to my Dear Mathematics YouTube channel. So I want to tell you before that if you all want to get the information about JEE Mains and JEE Advanced and solutions of the problem, please subscribe my channel for further updates. So today in this tutorial I will analyze the upcoming JEE Advanced 2021 exam. Today I will only analyze the mathematics subjects because I am from mathematics, so I am qualified to give you the analysis for the JEE Advanced 2021 exam. So I want to tell you that today in this analysis I will bring out 7 topics which will help you to qualify JEE Advanced exam, because 3rd October 2021 is the JEE Advanced 2021 exam date. So only very little amount of days are left. So while you are revising, so you can't revise all those subjects who are means average student. Here I am going to give the analysis for all of you. Mostly it will be helpful for all average candidate. Okay. So today in this analysis I will bring out 7 topics. If you read those 7 topics, you may qualify JEE Advanced 2021 exam. So I have seen and I have read in Google of many coaching institutes and many other institutes analysis of previous year exams, and also I have seen many books of the previous year analysis. Okay. So among those I have read everything and I have calculated from my own knowledge that basically there are 2 papers in JEE Advanced 2021. Okay, suppose this is paper 1 analysis and I will here analyze paper 2. Okay, paper 2. So what I have calculated, if you read these 5 topics, the weightage for these 5 topics are application of, first one is application of derivatives. It is around 16% weightage is there. And second topic is matrices. Around 13% weightage is there if we see the previous year approximation. Okay. And if we read parabola, which is having 12% weightage, and circle, which is having 12% weightage, and another one is definite integrals. Definite integrals. It is having 12% weightage. Circle is having 10% weightage. I am sorry for that. Circle is 10%. So if we revise or if we read these 5 topics for JEE Advanced paper 1, around we are getting 63% of weightage. There are other topics also. Example, permutation, combination, sequence and series. Total 4 topics will give as 10% weightage. Limits and continuity will give 14% weightage. But what I am thinking that if we read these 5 topics for paper 1, then these 5 topics, from these 5 topics there are some topics which will help in your paper 2. That's why I have brought out these 5 topics, because these 5 topics will also be helpful for paper 2. So now if we go for, if there are other topics also, that complex will give 7% analysis in paper 1. So these 5 topics is giving 63% weightage. So for the average student, if they now revise these 5 topics for paper 1, and it will be helpful for them. Now if we go for paper 2 analysis, okay, so for paper 2 the most weightage 5 topics are: first one is 3D geometry. 3D geometry, which is almost giving 22% weightage. Then the second most one is application of derivatives. Can you see? This one is also present in paper 1 analysis. Okay, application of derivatives. It is giving almost 20% of weightage. And the third one is definite integrals. Definite integrals, which is giving 15% weightage for paper 2. And fourth one is matrices, which is giving almost 5% weightage. It is not much having, the weightage is not too much, but it will, since we have studied this one in for paper 1, so it will be helpful in paper 2. So, and fifth one is theory of equation, which is giving as 11% weightage. Okay, so the total weightage for paper 2 will be, if we revise these 5 topics, will be 72% weightage. So can you see this? This one and this one is similar, and this one is similar, this one is also similar, matrices. And only 3D geometry, theory of equation, 2 more subject came new. So total these 5 topics and these 2 topic, that is 3D geometry and theory of equation, if you read this 7 topic, these 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, if you read these 7 topics, then for paper 1, paper 2, we will almost have the most weightage containing topics. So those who are average student, or those who are getting anxious for the JEE Advanced 2021 exam, so I will suggest you all read these 7 topics and revise these 7 topics again and again. The most powerful thing is revision. So I will suggest you all, if you revise these 7 topics, then the time consumption in exam will be very less for these 7 topics. So I will suggest you, if you have less time, or if you are getting fear or anxious for the JEE Advanced 2021 exams, I will suggest you read these 7 topics. Okay, and you may get some chance in some institute. Okay, so I will suggest you read these 7 topics. Here you can see that there are 7 topics only, which is helping in paper 1 and paper 2 both. So now I will suggest you some revision tips which will be more helpful for your JEE Advanced 2021 exam. The first one is solve as much as number of problems. Don't start a new chapter. Third one is, if you get stuck in any problem, then see the theory of that problem. Theory of difficult problem only. Again, revise the formulas and solve those problems. Revise only selected topics. most weightage ones, and also give exams in your home. Make sure you have maintained time. I mean, you just keep a stopwatch or some alarm watch so that you are maintaining time, because in entrance exam time is the most important key factor. So to qualify the entrance exam, you have to, first of all, you have to be so quick in solving problems, which will comes only after revision. And the most important factor is time. You have to revise, and again revise and revise, so that every formula will be in your mind. So with this, I am hoping, and all the best to you all. I am hoping that you have got some knowledge from this lecture. Thank you very much. If you like, subscribe the channel. Thank you.